What is up, guys, and welcome back to Homes with Shields. So first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's tour, we are going to walk the Grand View 2. Okay, this is a project that we just got wrapped up with. The Grand View 2 is at 1,825 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. You have toured this with me before, and I kind of call it, it's very similar to the Sparta. So very similar with the open concept, really nice kitchen. It's really hard to see because this house is kind of on top of a hill, so my drone shots will be able to pick it up a little bit better. But this is a site-built front porch, so it does not come with a front porch. You control the size, the style, everything about it. This is an 8x30 hip-style roof with a decorative turn gable up top. That is a hip-style roof. Like I said, the drone will pick it up with the turn gable and the window up there. This customer went with the white vertical siding on the front and went with the white horizontal on the sides and back. They also did a really cool pad in the back, so I'll show you that as well. This example is sitting on the mason, number one, a masonry, true masonry foundation. And this is our included textured block. You can wrap it in brick, stone, and notice that they did add the full foundation to the front porch. All right, so let's get up here, show you this real quick. You could always say, Shields, we want to prep it for ceiling fans, swings, can lights. Notice how they added an additional exterior light here at the front door. I would just call one included. All right, so this is the Grand View 2, 1,825 square feet. Super duper similar to the Sparta. Like I said, there's a few differences that I'll kind of point out as we go. But the main space is super duper similar, okay? Big, nice, open concept. Got your dining area over here. Storage closet off of that dining room there. All right, and here is that storage closet. And then that opens up to a really nice sized living room. Notice the exposed beams up there. These are the 9-foot ceilings today. One thing I'd kind of note out, and this is a little unique, this customer does not have a door off of this area. So most of the Sparta videos and Grandview videos I have showed you have a door there. This customer went with just more windows. So they'll be using that utility room door primarily. Beautiful, real wood burning fireplace. So on that side, you have the spare bedrooms. And on this side is the primary suite. So one thing I would note, in the Sparta plan, basically the spare bedrooms are on this side of the house and the master bedroom is on this side. One other thing I would note is the Grand View 2 actually has a bigger living room than the Sparta, but a little bit smaller master bedroom, okay? So I'll try to pop both of those plans up on the screen, and then you can pause it and kind of compare and contrast and all that good stuff. So you got a really big kitchen. Right off that kitchen to your left is a huge walk-in pantry, just like the Sparta. Notice the 5-panel upgraded interior doors, black interior hardware package, knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all that stuff. You will notice some blue tape today, so this customer has already did their final walkthrough. So they went around with our owner and kind of marked things that they wanted touched up. So if you notice that, that's all that is. Beautiful stainless steel farmhouse sink. The gadgets are included within the price of that sink. Really nice. A ton of my videos have the full ceramic backsplash. People say, well, if you don't do a backsplash, what's included? You still have whatever countertop material you have here, a matching 4-inch lip. Okay, so if you don't do the backsplash all the way to the cabinets, that's where we're going to start you, and then you can go from there. All right, let's check out the utility room. Spot for your fridge. Got the microwave nook in this house. You've seen a ton of different microwave options. Range hood over the range oven. As you head toward the master bedroom, on your right and right off the kitchen is a really good sized utility room. I will say this utility room is a little bit bigger than the Sparta's utility room. And you pick up this huge secondary closet in here. That's with the water heater. If you keep a water heater, you got shelving here. You could take that out, add space to the master. That backs up to the master bath, so you could take that out, add space there, or just keep the bigger storage room. So off that utility, I wanted to show you this beautiful concrete pad. Very nice. They'll get a ton of use out of that. And they are ready to move in. All right. So a lot of times I'll say, do you want a attic access pull down, the fold out ladder? And everybody says, well, what's included? There you go, the scuttle hole. Okay, so if you don't have the fold out ladder, that is where we're going to start you. You have to get up there, move it, set a ladder, climb up there. But a really nice sized utility room. All right, on to the master suite. Look at the view out here. Absolutely beautiful. Those drone shots that I'm going to be popping up throughout the video, man, they're going to be really cool. All right. So you got your master bath there, and then the master closet off the front of the house, just like the Sparta. So let's check this out. Really good size walk-in closet. Tons of space. The Grandview 2, you do not lose the walk-in closets in the spare bedroom, so that just like the Sparta has walk-in closets in the spare bedroom. Notice the barn door. That is always something you can add or subtract in your specific plan. All right, so you're seeing the 60-inch shower. They added ceramic tile, a shampoo box. That is the smallest of the 3 nationwide showers. Got a nice big linen cabinet. Double sinks, of course. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Standalone tub, huge window there. You got a little built-in over here for more linens, decorations, whatever. Freestanding toilet, and then we're back to that 60-inch shower. All right, over to the spare bedrooms. We're going to cross that main space. Front doors there. Bath 2. Good old tub shower combo. Big nice vanity there with some cabinetry below. Again, the black hardware package, knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all that stuff. All right, so bedroom 2, another double window. Seems like every bedroom has a double window in this plan, which is nice. Really generous size walk-in closets for bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 on the end of the house here. All right. So again, guys, this was the Grandview 2. My name is Shields. I'm with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. We are a custom all-frame modular builder. We have 5 of these on display, so come out and see us. I'm going to drop down my email right now. Please email me directly with that email right there. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps me tremendously. Take care.